Hi everyone, my name is Lillian Odo. I was born in Lagos, Nigeria. My parents are from Imo State in Nigeria. The two cultures I'm exploring today are China and Australia. I chose China because of their many inventions and how important they are to this modern day. Some examples of China inventions are silk, used for clothing, and the Great Wall of China, which is a big connect with other small walls and was finished during the Qing dynasty. I chose Australia because there are many beautiful beaches there and my favorite animal lives there, which is the kangaroo. The population of China is approximately 1,379 billion by 2016. The president of China is Xi Jinping, who was born in June 15, 1953, and he is the chairman of the Central Military Commission in China. The capital of China is Beijing. Australia. The population of Australia is approximately 24.13 million by 2016. The president of Australia is Malcolm Turnbull, and the capital is Canberra. Malcolm Turnbull was born in October 24, 1954, and he is the 29th Prime Minister of Australia and has been in office since 2015. Talking about the values, in China, the color red is a very important color to them. They value the color so much because of its great meaning and the value at Chinese weddings and New Year's. This color is also used to scare away demons in China. In Australia, the value in Australia are the people, freedom, respect, and trust. Talking about religion, in China, the main religion is Taoism, Buddhism, Islam, and Catholicism. The main religion in Australia is Christianity, with many diversities under it. Australian religion is such as Catholic, Eastern Orthodox, and Anglican. Talking about Chinese food, the major food they have in China is rice, noodles, and tofu. And here is a picture of tofu. A picture of tofu soup with mushrooms scattered about the top layer. In Australia, the major food they have is pea and ham soup, Anzac, biscuits, grubs. Here is the pea and ham soup, but in a more modernized serving. Entertainment and tourist attraction in China are the fly kites, cricket fighting, opera, and the Great Wall of China. Cricket fighting, which is when you feed up your cricket and get it ready for battle against another cricket, and the last cricket standing is the winner. The entertainment and tourist attraction in Australia is the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the boomerangs. The fun fact of boomerang is when it was first invented, a boomerang was not intended to come back to the thrower, and the art on it was used to tell stories. The fun fact of kites were used for military purposes in ancient China. On the similarities, in both cultures, both black symbolizes death and has unfavorable connection. In both cultures, tea is a very popular and common drink. Also, in both cultures, Miss, Mr. and Mrs. are used in both cultures too when meeting new people. I cited my work from Prezi, an article found on CNN, and JDF from China Highlights. Thank you.